Make your gammas more data-driven with the Amplitude integration. You can seamlessly incorporate analytics dashboards and reports within your presentations, documents, and websites. The Amplitude integration opens up exciting possibilities for various users. Product managers can enhance reviews with embedded user behavior metrics and engagement data that stakeholders can access anytime. Data analysts can streamline reporting by incorporating live dashboards that automatically update with the latest metrics. Growth teams can improve strategy discussions using embedded cohort analyses and funnel visualizations in shared documents. Let's learn more about it. How to add the integration. There are two simple ways to add Amplitude content to your gammas. Use gamma/command, type /amplitude, and paste your dashboard URL or embed code. Your analytics will instantly appear in your presentation. Use the Insert menu. Navigate to the Embed Apps and Web Pages section and find the Amplitude option. Drag and drop the component to your desired location, then add your dashboard's URL or embed code. Now, let's explore how to maximize this integration. Tips and tricks. Gamma's versatility allows you to combine multiple components. For instance, you can place multiple dashboards side by side using columns to compare metrics. Create dynamic presentations by combining charts with other embedded content. Insert analytics within tables and smart layouts for a more polished presentation. This flexibility gives you creative freedom to present your data in the most effective way possible. And that's how you integrate Gamma with Amplitude. It's quick, easy, and incredibly powerful for creating data-driven content that stays current with your latest analytics. Try it today at gamma.app and experience a new way of presenting ideas. Powered by AI.